Meet the GEEKOM A9 Max 2026 edition. If you're looking for maximum power, amazing performance, and unmatched portability, you're in the right place. This mini PC has everything you need. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or a professional who wants to stay productive on the go. The new A9 Max 2026 edition is powered by the AMD AI9 HX470, one of the top-tier flagship processor featuring a powerful upgrade that delivers a comprehensive leap in performance. An estimated 10 to 15% improvement thanks to a higher boost frequency of 5.2 GHz. The HX470 is projected to deliver approximately 15% faster single-core performance and 20% faster multi-core performance. Compared to its predecessor, the operating frequency has been boosted from 2.9 GHz to 3.1 GHz. This official overclock is expected to deliver a graphics performance boost of approximately 6 to 10%, allowing you to effortlessly enjoy mainstream online games and select AAA titles. NPU compute power has been increased from 50 TOPS to 55 TOPS. This exceeds Microsoft's 40 TOPS threshold requirement for Copilot Plus PC certification. When running local AI models such as real-time translation, image generation, and video background blurring, efficiency is significantly enhanced, thereby offloading the workload from the CPU and GPU. The HX470 represents a mature frequency iteration by boosting the operating frequencies of the CPU, GPU, and NPU. It successfully extracts superior performance potential from the existing architecture without increasing power consumption. At $1,699, the GEEKOM A9 Max 2026 edition delivers a true high-end experience without the usual premium markup. Powered by a cutting-edge AMD processor with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and a wide range of ports, it's built to handle everything from AAA gaming and local AI workloads to multi-display productivity without needing extra upgrades or a docking station. It's about getting everything you need in one device right from the start. For $1,699, you're securing a fully equipped top-tier mini PC that stays powerful, reliable, and relevant for years, backed by excellent build quality, a 3-year warranty, and 24/7 support. In its class, it stands out as one of the best value-for-money gaming mini PCs available today. Crafted specifically for hardcore gamers, this system ensures seamless gameplay in AAA blockbusters, delivering explosive performance in every frame without ever letting you down. The HX470 features the Radeon 890M integrated graphics, clocked at a high frequency of 3.1 GHz. This marks the moment when the dream of playing AAA games smoothly without a dedicated graphics card finally becomes a reality. It allows you to comfortably enjoy AAA masterpieces such as Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring at 1080p resolution. Its performance easily surpasses that of many entry-level dedicated laptop GPUs, representing a monumental leap forward for the mobile gaming experience. With up to 86 TOPS of AI performance, the A9 Max 2026 delivers powerful on-device intelligence, keeps you ahead without relying on the cloud. At its core is a 55 TOPS NPU, representing top-tier mobile AI performance. This enables fast, private, and fully local AI workflows. Most importantly, all your data stays on your device, ensuring full privacy and security. The dedicated NPU is built for AI inference, delivering high efficiency and low power consumption while freeing up the CPU and GPU for other demanding tasks. An ultra-compact, precision-engineered chassis paired with an oversized fan ensures stable performance under heavy loads without overheating. The A9 Max carries forward GEEKOM's signature A-series design, combining premium build quality with a sleek, refined finish that resists fingerprints and wear. Its durable, all-metal construction also makes it reliable for everyday portability. Upgraded with Ice Blast 3.0 cooling, the system features a copper base, dual heat pipes, a turbofan, and dense copper fins, while the aluminum alloy chassis itself acts as an additional heatsink. The result is a perfectly balanced system that fits high-performance hardware into a sub-0.9-liter mini PC, delivering strong, consistent performance with controlled thermals and low noise, so you'll get full power without throttling. Not only does its combination of dual HDMI 2.1 and dual USB 4 ports effortlessly deliver professional-grade quad display support, but its comprehensive and cutting-edge interface specifications, including USB 4, 2.5 gigabit LAN, and Wi-Fi 7. Also, position it as a stable, long-term productivity hub. It is fully capable of handling a diverse range of roles, from daily office tasks and content creation to advanced enthusiast-level applications. This connectivity solution allows the device to deliver expansion capabilities that rival and in some cases even surpass those of standard desktop PCs, all within a compact form factor. It truly embodies the philosophy of small body, big impact. Additionally, the GEEKOM mini PCs, exclusive Kensington lock slot, and SD card reader remain highly popular features among users. The standard configuration featuring 32 gigs of RAM and a 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD is more than sufficient for the vast majority of users. With support for up to 128 gigs of RAM and a 4TB storage expansion capability, this compact PC is built to be future-proof. Whether you need to run large language models, manage virtual machine clusters, or use it as a repository for video editing assets, it rises to the challenge. Generous out-of-the-box configuration and high expansion ceiling, it is ready to use right out of the box immediately, meeting the needs of most users while simultaneously reserving immense potential for performance scaling to satisfy professional users. Effortlessly handle professional-grade rendering and video editing tasks, create efficiently without bottlenecks, an investment that delivers returns 100-fold. For rendering tasks that rely heavily on CPU compute power such as ray tracing and 3D modeling, encoding and compression during video export, or special effects calculations, the HX470 delivers truly impressive performance. The wait time for rendering a 4K video is drastically reduced. CPU-based rendering tasks in applications like Blender, Cinema 4D, and Revit are completed with high efficiency. Parallel tasks such as batch processing raw photos or AI training data pre-processing run smoothly and seamlessly. For lighter 3D rendering tasks or 1080p video editing, the HX470 integrated Radeon 890M graphics is more than adequate. The GEEKOM A9 Max 2026 edition boots instantly. No complicated setup required, so you can start working or developing right out of the box. With full support for both Windows and Linux, it offers maximum flexibility to meet the needs of developers, engineers, and everyday users alike. Its intuitive, user-friendly operation ensures a fast, hassle-free setup, letting you build your workspace and boost productivity immediately. Rigorously tested for reliability, thermal control, and mechanical endurance, the A9 Max 2026 edition offers a long service life in demanding environments. Additionally, GEEKOM provides a 3-year warranty and a responsive 24/7 customer support team that is ready to help whenever you need assistance. Now let's compare the A9 Max to something like the Mac Mini. The Mac Mini is a good choice, but if you want better performance for gaming, more ports, and greater upgradability, the A9 Max 2026 edition offers more value for your money. While the Mac Mini has its advantages, the A9 Max 2026 edition delivers a better gaming experience, more connectivity options, and the ability to handle multiple displays, all at a much more affordable price. For creators and gamers alike, the A9 Max 2026 edition is the smarter choice. Let's talk about gaming performance. The A9 Max 2026 edition handles AAA games with ease. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, GTA 5, and Red Dead Redemption 2 runs very smooth, giving you the best gaming experience possible on a mini PC. You won't have to lower your graphic settings to get great performance. The A9 Max takes it all in stride. With the HX470 processor, you get smooth frame rates and excellent graphics, even in the most action-packed scenes. Whether you're exploring a futuristic city in Cyberpunk, chasing down criminals in GTA 5, or riding through the plains in Red Dead Redemption 2, the A9 Max 2026 edition keeps everything running flawlessly. Multitasking is no problem. Whether you're editing photos in Photoshop, typing up documents in Word, or researching on the web with multiple browser tabs open, the A9 Max keeps everything running smoothly. You won't experience any lag or delays even when running several apps simultaneously. It's responsive and quick, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. The A9 Max 2026 edition comes equipped with all the ports you need to connect your favorite favorite devices. There are USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet ports, plus the ability to run up to 4 displays simultaneously. Imagine having multiple monitors set up for gaming, editing, or productivity, all connected to one device, with no compromise on performance. So whether you're a gamer, a creator, or someone who needs a powerful mini PC for everyday tasks, the GEEKOM A9 Max 2026 edition is the ultimate choice. It's compact, powerful, and ready to take on anything you throw at it. From gaming to productivity, this machine can do it all. Now that you've seen the GEEKOM A9 Max 2026 in action, it's clear that this mini PC packs game-changing performance into a pocket-sized form factor. Whether you're chasing high frame rates or crunching heavy creative projects, it keeps up without breaking a sweat. So if you want a device that's as portable as it is powerful, ready to take on any tasks, look no further than the A9 Max 2026 edition. It's the ultimate choice for gamers, creators, and anyone who demands more from their tech. Mini PC, that's GEEKOM.